Hello. 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 That peaked. Did that peak? Am I really low? I sound really low. How am I sounding? This is like a bare bones just set up within the last 30 minutes. So audio may be really weird. Make sure the microphone. I'm using my different microphone. I feel like I'm peaking. I feel like I'm peaking. Maybe I'm peaking. I bet. All right. Let me check. Did I turn on? My plug-in is there. Didn't do anything with the EQ. I haven't messed with the compressor. All right. What's up, Spatcha? What's up, John? John Simon, thank you for the buy me sushi. I'm too young to peak. Yeah. Take that. By the way, Spatcha, did your stuff get there? Good. Okay. Good. Sorry. I apologize. I'm a one-man band with this stuff. So I do apologize for the delays on that. Sooner or later, when I make enough money, I'll have somebody like run that part of my business for me. But I'm glad it got there. So great. Awesome. Let me know if the quality's good. It should be. I've had no complaints about the quality. Even John, you got a shirt, right, John? By the way, if you're a fan of the combat sports, go to youtube.com and check out John over there. John's boy, John's young man, son. Outfitters bigger than LLB. The Ringside Report Network over there. Go check him out. If you like the combat sports, you should go check him out. I've got nothing set up here. It's just the camera. There was a bare bones countdown. I'm not using my wavelength, although it may crash anyway because everything is still tied into the wavelength microphone. My wavelength software, all the audio. So I may try to figure out how to take that out because it's been crashing. So, but I am Grimskull. I am the super awesome pixel pushing samurai for Dave Foster Media, Redacted, and myself. Welcome. I won me a vMix Pro upgrade from the. Wow, that's nice. So, my friend, and everyone may know her, Xanthi, and I, we do a podcast every so often. We try to do it on a regular basis, but we do a podcast called the Small Creator Podcast, the XG Small Creator Podcast, and that's what I'm going to build. And that's why there's hardly any branding or anything. I'm going to build the vMix production because we're going to start using vMix Call for her to call in. So I'm going to build the Small Creator Podcast vMix production. I mean, really, like I said, all I have like 2 scenes, the countdown and then the main cam, and that's it. Wait, I do have another scene, and let me see if I can, I'm going to pull in a blank. You're not going to be able to see this at the moment. Pull into this blank one. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to go into my scene, because what you can do, and this is a tip from John here, is we create a blank scene, or you create a blank input. And I'm going to cut to that so you can see that I've got a blank input. This is a blank, just a blank input. I think I can go in and I can change that to like transparent too, right? I think I can, yeah. I'm going to transparent, hit OK. Then it'll look black, still look black, but it's a transparent. It's a transparent one. So vMix only on Mac, right? No, vMix is Windows. I don't know that vMix runs on Mac. John, do you? I think it, if it does, it did so recently. I'm not sure. I know vMix, I'm on PC. So vMix, or alert scheduled services. Oh, sorry. They will never run on a Mac. So there you go. It's PC. All right. Well, I'm gonna switch to this. Well, let me do this first. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna go to this, and I'm going to stick my face on the top. Go to position. We're going to crop that in. Why is the cropping not working on that one? Am I on? I should be on. Yeah. There we go. Do that. It won't let me crop it. What's... That's just weird. Edit. What would be a reason that it would not let me crop this? Here, I'm gonna cut to what I'm trying to do. All right, so here's my picture. I can move it around. I can size it, but the crop is not working. Cropping it is not working. Weird. Let's see if I can put this on another layer. If it's on, it maybe because it's the only layer. I don't know. All right. Yes. I'm going to position number 6. Hit crop, and yeah, it should be cropping that camera. I've just put a border on it, and it won't. The border won't come up. All right, good idea. Let's cut. Nope. Reset all. It's not having any effect on it. I created a blank, right? I created a blank or color scene and then pulled the camera in on a layer. I'm going to close that one. Let's try pulling in the color bars and then change to transparent. All right. This is going to be main cam. I'm just gonna say main cam 2 because I'm gonna go in and we're gonna put a border or a overlay on it. Should I try to do that? Create a virtual input out of the main cam, right? Why not? Let's do that, right? Close. So I am on my main cam. I'm going to create a virtual input. All right, there we go. I'm going to cut to my virtual input. That's my virtual main. Hey, Joseph. Okay. Deck link 2 is on there. Okay, let's see if this may work. I can never crop in virtual. That's what I did not have that wasn't a virtual, right? But it works. It works. The virtual cam, I did a virtual input, created a virtual input, and it's letting me, I want to put a border on this so you can see that something is going on. See it? All right, 5. I'm going to change the color to that to red so you can see it better. Let's go neon blue. Let's be like David, right? 5, that's 5. Let's do a 20. 20. Okay, there we go. What am I using? What, you asked me that question. Why are you asking me that question that I do not know the answer to, which I should know the answer to, which I do not know the answer to? That's just not fair. I mean, it's working in the virtual. I created a virtual input from my main cam input, which is made up of a blank input with the camera pulled in, with my camera pulled in. Okay, so, and you can't see it. What happened? That's weird. All right, so I'm on my virtual cam, but I guess I clicked on my main cam. So you may be right there, John. Let me try that again. I'm gonna cut, and I'm gonna go back to this, and I'm gonna reset all. Okay. I don't want to border. I don't want to crop. Okay. So you're not gonna be able to tell the difference. This is the virtual main cam. This is the regular main cam. Virtual main cam. This is the main cam. I'm gonna go, let's go back. Okay, I'm on my main cam. I'm gonna click the settings on my virtual. Let's see. No, it's letting me do it. Here, let me switch. I'll switch back. Let me put a border on it real quick so you guys can see it. I hope everybody's doing well tonight, this evening. I've been kid-free almost a week, a full week. It's kind of nice. I do miss my kid though. I miss the kids. I miss my kid. I miss both kids. I do miss both kids. All right. Okay, here we go. So this is the virtual main cam. So it works on virtual inputs. So I'm gonna go and we're gonna move this, and then we're gonna make it small. And really, let's stick in theme with the theme of the and look, I mean, I can do it on camera. It's working on camera good. All right, here we go. What am I doing? I want to pull in the NDI now. I need to pull in the NDI to this. So let me go to multi-view. I'm going to NDI Grim Alien. Look, there we go. All right. So let's get some graphics going. Shall we? I was doing a background. This thumb. This is going to be the main background. So I'm going to I'm in Photoshop. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to export and save as. I'm going to export, and we need to go to my live assets. I should just say overlays on here, not Twitch overlays, but we're going to say new folder, and this is going to be XG podcast. And I'm going to say this is just the my ear itches, sorry. Actually, did I ever point out that sign back? This the Air Force parking sign. My girlfriend got me that for Christmas. I love it. She's such a great girlfriend. This is the XGP. We're gonna call it the background PNG. All right. I'm gonna go. I'm going into my countdown here. We're gonna turn off all the triggers. Because I'm gonna add that to the countdown at some point. And I want to switch to it without it, like, you know. So now I've got this background. My audio sounded okay. Do I sound all right, Joseph? I mean, Joseph has, are we meant to be seeing your screen? Yes. Do you see my screen? I think you see it now, don't you? You should see it now. Right? Tell me you see it now. Is my mic low? My mic sounds really, really low. But I can't tell. Do I sound all right? Is that better? That looks better. I can't tell. Give me a thumbs up. One in the chat for I sound okay. Okay. It may be maybe because I have my stuff turned down really low in my ear, and now you guys are hearing it really loud. So I'm going to turn that, but there we go. Okay. Music sounds overwhelming a bit. There we go. All right. That might be a little better. I hope that's better for you guys. I need to do some tweaking of my stuff this weekend. Current background. Let's get rid of that current background. Replace background here. I am going to find my XG podcast background. Which is over in my live assets folder. In my Twitch overlays. Tukang repost. Mangan Mang. Okay. That sounds like Tagalog. Get ready, Joseph Clough. Welcome to the stream. Takang Rapost. Magandurang. Yes, it's almost Klingon. I mean, I would say. Certainly over in East Asia. Maybe. If I'm wrong, let me know. We're going to call you Took. Welcome to the stream. I am building a vMix. Do you have vMix? Dolanan apa dikahok. I'm cursing up a storm in some language I don't even know. But it looks like Klingon. Seriously. This is Photoshop. Yes. Grim, your audio sounds great when you are speaking past but direct. Okay. How about if I move this down a little bit? How about there? Maybe better? That might be better. I should maybe get Google Translate. What do you say? What do you guys say? Okay. We'll stick with this. All right. XG podcast. I'm pulling over this image. Just gonna. Whoop. Bunch of other stuff in there I don't need anymore. The smart object. I don't know what this. Okay. I'm going to then save this. Let's say I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to my Grim template factory. We're going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to save that over to my. Hey, it's good that you're communicating, Took, but I have no clue what you're saying. Now, Jean is speaking French. I took French in high school, but voulez-vous coucher avec moi is about all I know. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? John, that was not directed at you. So just so you know, I use that line on my girlfriend in the bedroom. Took, where are you from? Let us know. And if you happen to know English, not trying to be a snob or anything, but don't understand anything you're asking or saying. Tired of hitting the bar? You got to tell me what this other stuff is. Google Translate for the win. Hi, Joseph. I think I hit the end of the playlist on my music. Let's. Loop. Oops. Sorry. I hit the wrong button. There we go. There we go. Okay. I'm going to save this in my live. You can't see it. I know you can't see this stuff where I'm saving it and into my Twitch overlays. XG podcast. This is the XG podcast overlay. Save. And as you can see, it changed all my backgrounds that I have set up. So we need to change the border. So I'm going to change my border color here. And it's a gradient. So we're going to change that gradient to a kind of the gray gradient. I have to leave in 50 minutes. We'll watch the replay on Saturday. No problem, John. Always appreciate you when you stop by. I know I haven't been stopped by as much as I should over there. Say hi. But I can't tell you how much I appreciate you, John, for being a supporter of my channel. And, so I'm never going to complain that, if you got to leave or whatever, because, you show up and you say hi and you're a contributor to my channel. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, sir. As well as the rest of you guys that show up. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, I did think that was maybe Filipino in there too, because I was stationed in the Philippines for 2 years. So thank you, Joseph, for looking that up. Who knows? God's got a little bit of everything. Oh, well, I do hope he gets to feeling better. The flu sucks, so Send him I'm sending healing vibes his way. All right, I like that gradient. We're gonna go with that gradient, and then I'm gonna say save. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna close the background. All right. I don't know. Maybe a little darker. I don't know. I think maybe we'll do maybe go with kind of a gray, maybe a grayish color. So maybe we go with the dark. That's a darker gray. Let's go with that darker gray right there. That looks good. I bet that'll be a way better contrast. Yes, it is. I like that. I like that contrast color. All right. So we definitely want to, let's see, we want to export a few of these out that we want to use. The full cam, the 2 cam, I'm going to do a cam left, the share right, and the 2-1 box, because we might use that for chat. I may create another one too, a two cam chat one. Maybe I'll do that here. So I'm going to go with the 2x1 box. 2x1 box. All right. I'm going to right click that. We're going to export as. Twitch Overlay XG podcast. New folder. We're going to call that overlays. Almost from scratch. Lies. It was almost from scratch. I had just a camera, audio, countdown timer window, and that was it. I had and a song list, and that's it. Kevin Michael Reed, everybody. Okay. People pay me to shut up. That's what they do. They pay me to shut up. So let's. This is main cam. I don't think this is. I don't want to call this the main cam. Let's go to scene. This is virtual cam. I want to change the name of this, I guess, to Pip. I'm gonna call it Pip. Some people like to call it Pip, so I'm gonna call it Pip. Virtual Pip. Now with virtual Pip in here, I'm wondering, because it's live, if that's one reason it would not let me play with it. Okay, there we go. See, it's let me do that. All right. So I am going to pull in about halfway, about number 7. Oh, we need to like pull these into. We're getting the band back together. Joseph Clough, Kevin Mockery, John Simon, and Spotch is still here, I think. We got a new guy, Tukang, who I believe is a stealth Klingon. We need to add an image. We're going to add an image, browse. All right. And then I'm going to throw that in my graphics. And then we're going to go back up to the pip. You can't see this stuff, but I'm going to number 7. Boom. All right. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Reset. Okay. Reset. We're going to go to multi-view. So we're going to go to 1. We're going to reposition 1, right? Let's okay. Can we go up a little bit more? There we go. Oh. Well, let me move things around with my. Well, I mean, yeah. Should be able to nudge things with your mouse. It won't let me do that, Kevin. Why not? We're going to go to 3. I'm going to turn off the border. We don't need that anymore. Click on it first. Okay. I'm clicking on it. That just lets my numbers have the pointer selected. It just changes my, yeah, that doesn't seem to work for some reason. Oh, John asked which version I was on. Yeah, I'm trying to use the arrow keys. It won't do it. It just that just moves my menu within my menu. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Settings. Click on the blue arrow selector thing. Oh, okay, the blue arrow selector thing. About. I'm on 25. I'm still on 25. I guess I'm not on 26. I thought I was on 26. But I guess I'm on 25. Okay, like the slider. Click on the slider. Gotcha. Look at Gil. There's nothing in Gilded. Oh, now there is. Okay, click on the. Gotcha. The indicate, and then. That's just changing the numbers, and then nothing on screen is changing. Oh, what is that? Oh, I see. It's zooming, but not doing anything. It's like the live camera is not doing any, but okay, is it zoom? You're getting smaller. I'm not getting smaller. Am I getting smaller? I guess, okay. All right, well, maybe I am getting smaller. All right. Reset. Oh my God. Reset all. Okay. Now that I'm reset, let's move my face. Move my face. Then we want to crop. What's going on there? I'm trying to, okay. Is there a way to make it go faster? Yes. Is that moving enough? I know I'm drag the slider. Duh. Yes, it definitely goes faster when you drag the slider. I know that. Yes, Joseph. Triple shot at Good night, John. Hello, friend. Hey, what's up, Jason? I hope your holidays and Christmas was good. Did you get yourself anything good, or did the kids went out? I'm sure the kids went out, which is totally understandable. All right. I think I want to rearrange some things. I'm going to layer Grim Alien. I think I'm going to move to 4. There we go. Edit. That doesn't seem to be getting bigger. Do I have, that's what she said. 4, okay. Edit, 4. All right, okay, that's getting smaller. I'm gonna go bigger. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, what happened? The crop on, I did something, didn't I? Let's go to 3. Getting smaller. I want to get bigger. Kids won for sure. But I got a few good things. Best things was new headphones. Nice. What brand? I can't see how far that's zooming. Like, there we go. All right. Now I need to pan a little bit in the Y. It's not the Y. Is my crop at the top to, yeah, there we go. All right. All right, looks like I'm in bounds. Beats. I went for the Power Beats Pro. Oh, nice. There's a documentary. Jimmy Ivy is his name, right? Jimmy Ivy and Dr. Dre. The documentary you got to watch. I think it was on HBO at one time. If you have HBO. Anybody? Yeah, it was really good. Cut. All right. This is the main cam. Let's bring in, I think, okay, I got to add the input. I got to add an image. Browse, and then we're going to add the full cam. Fiber Node 3 is not the correct name, but okay. Graphics. Boom. There we go. Nice little branding. If I do say so myself. This is not a pivot. I'm not changing my branding. This is for a different show. This is for Xanthi and I's XG podcast, the small creator podcast that we do. We've got another one coming up. And I keep saying I'm going to, like I keep saying I'm going to finish a lot of things. I have trouble finishing. All right, Joseph, thanks for coming to hang out. I appreciate you, sir. Folks, go check out Joseph Clough over at YouTube, youtube.com, Joseph Clough. If you need any mental medicine for those uncut, the grim look is still here. I'm still using it. This is just, I wanted to create something for the podcast that we do. So, and it, you know, quick and dirty, quick. I don't want to say not quick and dirty, but just, you know. And it's content, you know. Yeah. Haven't you seen Xanthi post it? It's on my YouTube channel. I mean, it's, you know, it's just Xanthi and I talking about stuff. All right. Well, I will make sure that you are notified of the next one, but I think I have them on my YouTube page. We talk about all right, well. There you go. I think we have a third one that I haven't posted on the playlist yet. So there you go. You haven't missed many. It's not like we got a backlog, a catalog, a backlog of stuff. So yeah, I gotta tell you, Xanthi is a go-getter. She is a go-getter. I mean, ideas coming out the wazoo about, you know, things she, you know, she wants to do this. She, you know, podcasts. She streams with like 5 gazillion people. And I'm not saying that in a bad way, but I mean, she was invited to a creator meetup with some international streamers. But I mean, she does stuff with our friend Nimi or Shearston, who's also a streamer. Of course, Xanthi, Shearston, and I do the Grim Skull gaming stuff on the weekends. Xanthi does stuff with Shalala Rob over at Shalala La Productions. She does her own WordPress Elementor stuff plus vlogging, and then she, you know, she asked me if I want to do a podcast of you know, about, you know, about creators like ourselves and the struggles, and, you know, trying to be a content creator as you know, someone who has not. I have the itch to stream. I think I'm going to do a gaming thing for fun. That's, I mean, I do that on the weekends, right? That's what it is. I game. I do that basically for fun, you know. Because I'll probably, that's, you know, I was gonna be gaming anyway, so why not do it for fun? Okay, let's get back to it here. So we have our big full camera here. Looking good. I do want to get the logo going though. I want to get a kind of a logo. Let me see what I can file. I want to, let's cut back over to here. I don't have anything Stream Deck set up either. You know, I'm just going to create a copy of that. Then I'm going to delete the background. No, I'm going to delete the background layer. What was that? Okay, that's episode. Delete that. That is the logo. All right, I'm going to leave that. Wait, why did, okay. Okay, XP podcast. Let's, okay, the background, the layer. Move this up a bit. All right. Why is, okay. I got to change the background to transparent. There we go. There seems to be a few. Let's get rid of the inner shadow. Don't want that. The bevel. Don't want that. Color overlay. I don't know. I think I'll leave that. And then I'm going to change that text. I want to change that text to look the same as, right? I think, do I have a color? Yes, color. And I'm going to select that gray color. Let's make sure these are centered. Clear layer style. And then I'm going to go back in and put that color. grab, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Well, that's basically what I am. Just a creeper dude. I should just drag that down there, and that will make them both look the same. All right, and then let's drag this to the center. I am going to, oops. I'm going to crop this in a bit. The artboard. I'm going to rename the artboard. I'm going to click on the layer name over there, or the artboard name, and say this is the XG Podcast logo. Right click on it. I'm going to export as. Excuse me. I'm going to save that over to my live iSets, not iSets, assets, with the XG Podcast. Save it, and I'm going to pull that in as a graphic or an image. Browse. I'm going to throw that up in the graphics tab. Now that it's here, I can go over, and this is the pip. I'm going to grab the pip. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to throw it on that last layer. What did it bring in? Oh, I brought in the wrong thing. There we go. There we go. I'm going to hold my shift key and then use my mouse and just bring it down. It's kind of, yeah, it's kind of, that microphone kind of messes with things. So maybe we'll just put it like over here. I like that. I like that. For now. Let's cut to this one, to my pip. And I want to bring in that logo here. Again, I'm going to scale it down. Ta-da! Or I could put it down in the corner down here. Really doesn't matter. I mean, just as long as it's visible, right? All right. A little bit of branding. Good. Okay. I'm going to take my main, my virtual pip, right? Can I create another virtual input? If I create this other virtual input, what is it going to... Kevin looks like the vMix master. I'm going to say this is going to be my 2-cam shot, to which I am going to leave the logo, but I'm going to, let's see, let me go pull in the 2-cam graphic. Image, browse, there we go. Okay, so I pulled that in. Let me file it away. This is my 2-cam scene. I'm going to replace the shared node with that. I'm going to get rid of that display. All right, I'm going to take my my camera. I'm going to reset it all. And we're going to just slide it over. I'm going to click on the arrow dude there, and I'm going to use my up and down arrow to do that. All right. I'm gonna see if I can. I should be able to. I'm gonna see so that you guys can see what I'm doing in vMix also. Let me. All right. Actually, I'm gonna go back to the pip. This is I'm gonna call this pip. My Grim Alien. That's the name of my other PC over here. Grim Alien. And then I'm going to create virtual input. I'm going to call this one Pip. Pip Production. I'm going to pull in an input display, right? A desktop capture. I should be able to go and capture. Where's it at? Display 1, display 2. That's the NDI, but that is not. What am I missing? Oh, local desktop capture. Duh. That is not the local desktop capture I want. There we go. Sha-la-la-la-la. We were just talking about you, Rob. Casually, that is. We were just mentioning that Xanthi does a lot of podcasts, a lot, and she does one with you. And that this is my setup for this is a setup for the podcast that Xanthi and I do, which is the XG podcast, but it's the small creator podcast. So okay, so I got that there. Let's go back to, I'm going to take my desktop capture, put that under video, go back to my scene. I'm going to pull up production. Let's cut to production. Now I'm on production. You didn't see a change. Excited for both of you. Should be great stuff. We got 2 episodes in the can. I think maybe 3. I have to go back and check. I have to go back and check. All right. And desktop capture. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing on this computer here. So when I'm making all these changes, you can now see what's going on. You can see me double. Grim is always twice as nice, or twice as nightmarish. I don't know when you see my face twice. Yeah, I'll be up all night. Good old layers. Yes. These are good old layers. So now I've created a bunch of scenes in really a short amount of time, right? We have the main cam scene, right? The main cam. We've got a pip that shows my production PC. Photoshop and all that stuff when I'm doing production. Probably won't use it. I'm just kind of going through the motions here. Probably won't use this. We'll probably do, what I should do is go in and create a 2-up with a screen that we can show web content. So maybe we'll do that here in a minute. But in order to show you guys what I'm doing, we have this one where if I go in and start messing with layers, you can see it. That's what I want to do. Right now, we have a 2-cam image here, and let's do some fixing of this layer. I think what I was trying to do was go in here and let's do it the fast way like Kevin suggests. There we go. But then I want to pan it. I'm centered, but there we go. Sometimes it's hard to see the edge, because it's black. So, Now let's crop that in. We want to do the crop number 2, right, to pull that in. So I'm going to pull that in. I really don't need to crop it. I only need to crop in one picture, really. I'm going to go in and the logo and pull that right here. I might go in and make a little box here that lets the logo sit there. Let's see. I don't want to add a vMix call at the moment. I mean, I can cut to the main, and then I can go in and add input, video call. Output 1, audio source. What do I usually want to, what do I want to put the audio source to, Kevin? Master or headphones? I can never remember. I'm going to leave it on headphones. I'm going to put it on the headphones right now. Click OK. So I've got this vMix call, which I'm going to put in video. All right. Let me do something real quick. This is the vMix call password that you will use for XG podcast. All right. What? A good old what for your call? You want like B or C, and make sure your mic goes to that. Gotta run. Have a good trip. See you later, Jason. What? Well, this is just gonna be me and Xanthi. So when I create the vMix call, oh lovely. Shalala, out of curiosity, is there a stream earlier on how you set up audio settings for guests able to talk off camera without then going live? I think there was a major problem when Nimicutie and Xanthi all off. What? Okay. On the Grim Skull Gaming channel, yeah, you gotta. It's like you could. I set up a couple buses. There's like bus A, which would be what I send out to this. Then it will go out. Then it won't go out. What? Don't send their audio to master. Okay. How do I change that? If I've set that, oh, never mind. I know how. Never mind. Audio source. I want it to be set to bus A or B or C, is what you're saying. So I'll set that to A. I'll set their audio to A. For back talk, for behind the scenes talk, your callers are set to listen on a different audio bus. Yes. Wait. Don't you already have something on it? No, I don't have. This is brand new. I don't have anything on this. Nothing. No. I don't think it should, right? Because audio outputs are, oh yes they do. They're universal. Oh, yeah. Okay, gotcha. So you're right. B. So I want to set theirs to B. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to set their audio source to B. And then I've got, yes, I've got C that is just enabled. All right, so yes. So Rob, I was having that kind of problem before where I wanted to be able to talk to them behind the scenes. And Kevin helped me out with this because he's a whiz at vMix. I'm gonna do something. Let me do something. Let me go to my. All right, I'm gonna go bring that down. I go to audio. All right. So let me go to my audio mixer. Okay. So what I have is I have audio. My A is technically my music. What? No, what? Let me look at my settings. Give me a call code. Okay. Stand by. I'll bring the expert on, but let me go to, I'm going to cut. Let's see if this works. I hear him, but I don't see him. I hear him, but oh, all right. Let's fix some things. Let's fix some things here. All right, hold on. Talk, Kevin.
I'm talking. Can you hear me? Funny thing is I can't hear you.
Okay.
Oh, I'm hearing myself back.
Are you hearing yourself? Okay. How about now? Wait, I know why. How about now? How about now?
What'd you say?
How about now?
I'm not.
How about now? How about now?
No, I hear you on YouTube.
So I need to go and put you on C.
Make sure your mic is going to wherever you put me as well.
Yes. It is going to where I put
Really don't need the straw here.
Sí. Sí, señor. Sí, señor. No. No, no hable. And I can't hear you because you're not going to master. Okay, now they can hear you on master, but you still can't hear me.
Yeah. Hello, YouTube.
Kevin Michael Reed, everybody. Audio is, I'm just dumb.
Well, actually, I hate audio.
I'm beginning to. All right, so I have A, B, and C. Let me double check my settings to make sure that, yes. B is my, okay.
You know what I can do?
You know what I'm thinking? Yeah. Guest. Okay, guests should now be going out. Odd. Damn. That's a lot of audio.
So here's the new call that I just made. I'm going to right click on it. Obviously, I'm sending nothing to it right now. I'm sending output to. Hearing myself back. So audio source, I'm going to put on C. Actually, I'm going to put it on C just because. This is my microphone over here. I want to make sure that my microphone is going to C as well.
$20 you can hear me now.
I can hear you now.
Yeah, because, yeah. I didn't have it on C.
Oh, yes, the audio source.
All
this
right.
is what the person you're talking to hears.
Okay.
So I like especially if you're routing like you do, where you have the wavelength in the process as well. I always like to just use an unused bus for people to talk to each other.
Right. And routing guests to B doesn't do anything because in routing, well, setting up the audio bus B to route guests, it works for if I'm doing voice for like Gilded, Discord, that stuff. So I need to I need to get that out of my head that just because I'm using a bus B for voice chat there, it has nothing to do with vMix call because that comes through system.
Correct.
In my wavelength.
Correct.
Yeah. So all right.
Now vMix call is coming through vMix.
Yes.
So you have to route it somewhere. And it can't be a device. It has to be just
right.
The audio source set is enabled.
Yep.
You should probably fix your PIP too.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to.
So yes, that's
so you're not. Yeah, they're well. They don't have to do it now. This looks just fine.
My camera's all the way over
What's
there.
wrong with your lighting?
What do you mean?
You look kind of.
Am I dark?
You are really dark.
So I did this thing the other day where I set up my new.
Kevin did a thing. Kevin does a lot of things. Kevin does a lot of amazing things, folks. I can't tell you how many amazing things he does, and I have failed him. I have failed him on the one thing that he wants to do, which is stream. And I need to fix that.
You'll fix it someday.
We need to fix that. I know, but it's been too long, and it's all my fault. And I wouldn't be surprised if Kevin hates me, and he talked really bad about me to Joseph.
So I built this little console.
Okay.
Instead of spending thousands of dollars on buying one,
Yeah.
I'm building one. And now the equipment total only costs about $1,000, whereas if I was to buy it, it would have cost thousands of dollars.
Right.
So I built it, out of wood. I'm not a woodworker, but I made something. But when I did that, Grim, I removed my light that was on my right side. So that's why I'm really dark right now.
No problem. Hey, Rob, you're more than welcome, sir. More than welcome. I didn't change gears because that's the whole point of the stream, was just setting up this new this because this is basically it. This is Xanthi and I's now new vMix. This is going to be used to either stream or record. So all the other scenes I set up really are just so I could show what I was doing. But that's the big hurdle right there, is getting the audio and the camera set up. So thank you, Kevin,
You're welcome.
for jumping in and helping me with that. I've got a better understanding now that I actually saw you demonstrate it on there.
Just always consider it like a separate bus that you're not using for anything else other than people talking to each other.
But now the great thing about this is, I can mute.
Yeah, so if you want to talk behind the scenes during your countdown with Xanthi, for example, just take her off. Just take off of master, or take me off of master.
But now I can't hear you.
I mean,
not when I take you off of master. Here, hold on.
Okay, hold on.
Let me show you. Without showing. Okay, there we go. So I can't hear you now. Now I can hear you. I think. Yeah. If I take out, yeah. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Sorry.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh, I need to take these toggle automatic audios off too, yeah. Okay.
So turn me off of master, but don't mute me.
Okay. Can't hear you. Cannot hear you. Now I can hear you because I turned master back on.
Go to settings. And then go to audio.
Just audio or audio?
Audio outputs. Yeah.
Audio output. Like,
okay. So you're okay. This is where routing with these external devices gets complicated. So you need to send. Are either of those buses on your wavelength? Are either of those buses that aren't going back to vMix?
From your calendar.
Sorry, Alexa's talking in the background.
the wavelength voice and wavelength music both come back through the wavelength stream here through the master.
Gotcha.
And like I said, the B is actually, and I don't, in my thinking before B, I was sending this out. I would set the callers to B, and then I would try to control it here.
Yep.
but that does not work.
Nope.
So, but I'm
It
gonna.
also creates latency on your callers.
But
Is there another option? Is there no? I'm sorry. Is there another wavelength input from digital input? Is it just music and voice chat? Use D and just see what else is in there.
oh well, there's tons of there's like auxiliary 1, 2, 3, all that stuff, which I can route audio to,
Yep.
which then gets routed back in through the wavelength stream.
Is there a way to send, for example, aux1 to your wavelength, but not route it back over the master? Is there a way to do that in the wavelength software? I don't know the wavelength software, so
I'm trying to wrap my head around what you're asking. Is that if I take,
you can't change this setting,
right,
obviously, right now because you're streaming, and
right,
you'll have to restart after you change it.
Yeah.
But if you send audio to auxiliary 1 in the wavelength, are you able to turn it down so it doesn't go into the stream mix, but it will
Yes.
still go to your headphones?
Yes.
Okay, that's what you want to do. So now you want to send your guests also to D and set D to auxiliary 1. And then in your wavelength software, make it so it doesn't send it back into vMix, but it does go to your headphones.
Okay.
So they're going to master C and D.
Master C and D. I actually that's kind of what I did with B, right? I kind of did that with B.
Okay. I mean, actually, so let's do a test. Since B is already routed,
let me go
wavelength software.
And what I can set your audio source to B, right?
Correct.
Right. All right,
So
hold on. Let me go to cancel, and I'm going to go to your call, which I don't want on screen, right? I don't want to do that well, in case the number pops up. All right, audio source B. You probably can't hear me. All right.
I can't hear anything.
Now,
okay, you're talking now.
Now you should be able to hear me. Yeah, I can hear you, but because you're in C. But now I can hear myself. Okay, but I can mute guest B. There we go. Nope. There we go. Now I should be able to hear because I've muted. Oops.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello, hello.
Yes.
And I can still hear you. Oh, so I'm coming over system for you. That's weird.
Well,
I will never understand these devices.
But system isn't going to the stream. If I
now can the world still
talk.
hear me and you? Can you hear me now?
Nope. Yeah. I can hear through system. But I'm trying to think, how do I, because you're both.
Where am I? Yeah, so I'm in.
All right, but if I mute, if I mute A, no, B, if I mute B, now talk.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, but talk again.
I can't hear you. By the way.
You can't hear me?
If you're talking.
How about now?
Now I hear you.
How about now? That's weird. All right. Because you should still be able to hear me in C.
Yes. Are you routing your voice to C? You are.
Yes, and B, which I shouldn't need to route it to B, right? Because B is, well, here. Now I got to put the call on B, and I could take it off master. Now talk. No.
Phones off on.
I did not even hear a word you just said.
I know.
Okay.
You have. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. You have headphones off here. Well, I'm pointing at it on the screen. For 4, you have headphones off. You need headphones on.
Yes, but then I can hear myself.
Hold on. Are you talking?
I am now.
And you hear yourself?
And I hear myself.
Let me see your vMix. Your vMix audio settings.
Okay. Why is Wavelink here? It's muted. That's muted. Now I'm double.
Oh, turn yourself. Turn B. Input 3. Turn off B.
Turn off B. Okay.
Nope, not there. Input 3. It says audio in 1 and 2.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you double. Because you're coming in through.
Okay, hold on. Make sure your 1 and 2 is going to C. I'm sorry. Input 3. I can't hear you, by the way.
It's going to C.
That is going to C, not B. Okay.
Yeah, it's going to
It
C.
is. Where's your voice coming in?
And master.
Oh. That's your voice.
Yes. But that's all. Yeah. Let me. Here.
And I'm coming in. So weird. Why's the routing so weird?
I've also got Dante going.
Guess.
So.
I can't hear you.
Okay.
If you're talking to me, I can't hear you.
B. How about now?
Oh, I hear you.
Oh,
And
that's
myself
really
twice.
bad. There we go. All right. But I take myself. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's really bad.
Hello.
Because I'm coming through. Whoa.
You're coming through B now, right?
I am.
You don't want to come through B. Can't hear you. I'm going to B. Where are you going? Are you going to the stream even? Oh, I'm echoey on the stream. Yeah, so I can't hear you if you're talking, but yeah, you need to mute me there. And now I'm not echoey. Can you hear me? Okay, so now we have to figure out your audio. Talk again?
Now.
That's you.
Okay,
so
master.
Send that to master.
Master. but I also want to go to C, which I'm
And
in,
send that
right?
C.
And but I'm
For
not
some reason,
going
I
to
can't hear you
B.
anymore.
You can't? B, 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 B. You should be able to hear
Oh,
me.
now I hear you. Now I hear you. Sorry.
I should be coming through on
I
C.
think I hear you. Do I?
Can you hear me on C? C?
No, now I don't hear you. I should hear you on C. Yes.
Yeah, but you don't hear me on C. I'm coming through on C.
Because I'm going to C. But are you going to C?
You're going to C. Yeah.
I'm going to B so you can hear me. And
Okay,
that's weird.
I've taken you off a B, right? I can hear you. I can hear you.
It's not me. I haven't changed anything.
No. Right.
Oh, yes, that's me.
Right.
Yes. But I don't hear anything.
B.
Oh, now I hear you.
Okay, so this is B. Right now I'm on B. You're hearing me through B. I don't have
Yes.
you going to B. You're going to C.
But you hear me?
Yes, but I hear you through C.
Through system, probably. Yeah, you're hearing me through system. Right?
I'm hearing everything through system.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, wait a second, Grim. Make sure, oh, see, it's the way everything's routed. When you play music, where's that going to? It's not coming back.
It should be going through A. I can hear it through system.
Okay.
But the string, do you hear any music?
No.
None?
No, you have to send it to bus C.
Okay. Here. Right here, right? Here's my music. I've got it going to master.
Yep.
The stream can hear it. I'm going to take it off of master.
And
now
then the
I
stream
can't
won't
hear
be
it,
able to hear it.
but I'm turning it on to
Because you're
A.
hearing it from system.
I'm turning it on to A. Now I can hear it, but it's coming through the wavelength.
Yeah, and you don't want that, right?
No, that's what I do, because then I can control it with the Stream Deck, but I don't see it coming through there. But I want A to go to master.
So they can hear it.
Right. And it's playing.
Okay, so you hear yourself twice.
Yeah. Well, not right now. That's.
But you hear me.
I hear you. But I'm going.
And I'm going to master.
I'm getting double music now, like Joseph was getting. So let me.
Check 1, 2.
Yeah. So the music is going to system, I think.
Yep.
Yeah.
For you to hear it.
Yeah. I hear double music, but I don't think the stream hears it. No.
Listen.
The stream does not hear double music. I'm listening to the stream output. But I hear it twice. I don't want to hear it twice.
No, you have to mute one of those.
A. Nope, that does not have the headphone thing. Jesus. Okay. But now nobody can hear the wavelength. No, it's going through. All right. Well, but if I have that,
Can they
then
hear me?
talk.
Yep, they
Yeah,
can hear me.
they can hear you. But if I mute wavelength, then the browser and all the rest of the stuff won't come through.
So
Okay. Let's just take music out of the equation. For the moment. For the moment. Because we want to worry about I can hear you now. You can hear me.
I can hear you.
But I want to be able to mute you, the guest. Should I just
right. Are you hearing me through system? You take me off of master.
Off of master. Talk.
Me now.
If I see the master, I can hear myself. And you talk.
Hello, I'm talking.
And you.
What? Yeah, if you do it up there. So
can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can hear you right now.
Okay. I can hear you because I've sent you to A also.
Yep.
But that's my music channel. Now you're going to B. Only if you're...
Now the stream can hear me.
The stream can hear you? Now talk.
Hello.
See, now I can hear myself. I can hear myself if I send B to master. I don't want to be on B, right?
No, see.
Now, okay, now I can hear you.
The bus masters as well. I wouldn't use the bus masters.
You wouldn't use the bus
I
masters.
would just use... I can't hear you, by the way.
See, what is up with that?
I can't hear you.
What is up with that?
Now I hear you.
Yeah, but I can hear myself. What did I do? If I turn B off... Oh, what'd you say?
Do you hear me?
Now I do.
Yep. Do you hear yourself twice?
Yeah. Yes. Well, not twice, but I'm coming through guest and system, and I can turn system off, but then I won't be able to hear anything. I don't think I hear you.
Do you hear me?
I don't hear you. This is maddening.
So...
Exactly.
See, using those master sliders for the buses
up here,
something that David teaches, and I don't
up
agree
here
with.
Is that what you're talking about? Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
So
then tell me
how to do it. Take it to turn off the master on bus B.
And then now you can't hear me. I can't hear you. I cannot hear you. I don't know what you're saying. Yeah. Now
exactly.
Go ahead.
Now you can hear me?
Well, that's because I turned master on bus B back on so I could hear you, but I can hear
Okay.
myself.
When you turn master off
Right?
on bus B, you do not hear yourself.
Correct. But I don't hear you either.
Leave it on for now while we
Right.
troubleshoot, and then we'll
Exactly.
fix it. Okay. Go to. Fuck. Oops. Sorry. Is this a family-friendly channel?
No.
Um. Go to your wavelength.
Wavelength. Now,
Make it talk.
I'm talking and it's coming through, but I've got it both muted to the stream and my headphones. And I'm hearing it because it's coming through system also.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That might be a good thing.
Might be.
I'm trying to figure out routing with this stupid wavelength. All right. So you can hear me, and I'm coming through B. You can hear me.
Yeah. B through mass.
Okay. We need to make you go back into vMix, take you off B.
I am off B,
Yep.
but you
Okay.
can't hear me.
I can't hear you.
Can you?
Why am I? What? Why?
Right. You could not hear me just then. But you should hear me through C because I'm still going to C.
Yes.
But C is not going to the master.
It doesn't need to go to the master.
And you're on C, and I'm on C. We should be able to hear each other, right?
Right click on my input. Sorry, I'm not explaining this correctly. The video input for me, right click on it. What's my audio source?
I got it on B. Why do I
Change it
have
to
it on
C.
B? All right, now it's on C.
Now take you off of B,
I'm off of B,
and I can hear you.
and you can hear me.
Yep. Okay. Now turn off the master for B.
Master is off for B. Now I can't hear you. I cannot hear you, and but I don't hear me either.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Go back to the wavelength software.
Wavelength software.
Okay, where am I coming in? I'm coming in on system.
And guest B.
And where are you coming in?
I do not come in through the wavelength. I come in through
Beautiful.
directly
So
into
the B one,
right.
turn headphones on.
Headphones are on.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, but
Am I twice?
yes,
Okay. Turn off the B master in vMix.
the B master and vMix is off. Yes, but I don't hear myself twice, but now nobody hears you on stream. Okay,
Now everybody can hear me on stream.
but I hear you twice.
Yes.
There's
Click on the gear icon and turn me down for headphones. Okay, now you're not hearing me twice.
correct.
And it sounds like the audience is not either,
No,
which is good.
they're hearing you.
Yeah, they're not hearing me twice. Is what I
Right,
meant to
correct.
say.
Okay.
I think we have fixed it.
All right. I have no idea how, but
So
what?
when you want to be able to talk behind the scenes,
I just take you off a master.
take me out off
I want to master, and then you master, and now everybody can hear us.
Correct.
And now I should be able to go back to my audio and turn on.
Oh God, what's he doing
All right, be careful. All right, watch your ears. Okay. All right, the music.
I don't hear anything.
Right. Because I don't hear it. Now I hear it. I don't have A. I don't have A going to master. So if I turn, boom.
I don't know.
And how do I keep? Okay, there we go. It should become okay because wave. There we go. Yeah, okay, that works.
Is there echo now?
I don't think so.
No, no echo.
Well, it is if I turn the system up, but that's not going to the stream. So I'm trying to think, why? How do I keep that music from going to? All right. Weird. Okay. Wavelength.
Oh, it's the same deal. Turn down.
There we go.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay.
So now that music also should not be going to your system. So what's coming through on system now?
It's dead. System is dead.
So that means you can play stuff through your browser.
Well, browser has its own channel too.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
But that's okay. Yeah, I've got browser, and then I've got my audio from my second computer comes in, and then I have, which right now I've got my audio 1 and 2 is not my wave mic. I'm not using the wave mic at the moment. I'm actually using the Newer. What is this? The Newer something 80 something.
Gotcha. Okay.
Through the Behringer mixer.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay.
Knock on wood, because for some reason I keep having these. I don't know if it's my mic going out. If it's not the software, it's the mic. Something USB connection or something, where maybe all my inputs are going, fuck you, you can only use this many, but you keep using more, and one of them says I'm gonna stop.
It turns one of them off because it doesn't have enough power.
Yeah.
Yep. That's a common scenario when you have a lot of devices connected to each other.
Well, I bought a new or an expansion card, so that it would be on like a second kind of bus, I guess, in the computer, for lack of a better term. But it's got one of those things where it's got one of these lips on it, and it doesn't fit in there right, so I never put it in. But the thing is, now I've got the two computers, so all the cameras and stuff that I had are in the production PC, but then other USB devices are connected to, like my keyboard and mouse and all that stuff is connected to my gaming PC, and I'm using that mouse without borders. And that works great.
I need to try that to connect to my 12 screen.
I have not had an issue with it at all. Whereas the other ones always seem there's something where it would, because those are like I don't know, like internet based or wow, look, that was extreme close up.
Sorry.
That's all right.
No one needs to see me that close.
We can count the pores.
Is my exposure better?
Yeah, you're a bit brighter. You're a bit brighter. It's good to see Kevin's face. It's good to see Kevin's face.
No, it's not.
It is. Look, you make me look good, man. I mean, I make you look good. Okay. So I was going to set up a new Stream Deck profile so I can make those mute buttons for everything.
And don't make it an actual mute. Make it a master.
A master.
It will turn off the master.
Right. New profile. Okay.
It says welcome.
Edit the profile. Rename. This is the XG podcast. Let's just get some vMix shortcuts going here. Oops. All right, from bottom right, that's going to be my main mute for my microphone. So we want to go to settings, just shortcuts. Oh, already got a bunch of shortcuts in there. What happened?
So those must have been set to being global shortcuts.
Yes, I probably. Can I change that in here already? Right? Can I do that?
I think you might screw up your other ones.
I might need to be in those okay, well just all right. So we're gonna add
yes.
And then we're gonna say local find. We're gonna Now I've had this problem before. Why is it's like saying screw you?
Do you have Companion open right now?
No.
Okay.
It does not look like it.
Sometimes that's the issue.
Well, I was about to say, why don't we do Companion?
You could.
Okay. I am quitting Stream Deck software because I don't have any shortcuts set up for this anyway. I've been having to click on everything so whoa. All right. Shouldn't my screen be blank if I got rid of Stream Deck?
What's it showing right now?
It's showing my screensaver on it. Shouldn't be like blank.
That's weird.
Yeah. My cables are all tied together. I need to get me.
Well, you have nothing connected to it right now, so it went to the Stream Deck screensaver.
Yeah. Well, yeah. The default. Yeah. Okay.
Basically, it's telling you it has no connection.
So what do I need?
So you can cancel out of that and then just open Companion.
Oh, I don't need vMix? Or the shortcuts open? Okay.
Nope. You create the shortcuts directly in Companion.
What am I have no idea what I'm doing right now.
Opening companion. Go to program. Like add program. Yeah. There you go.
Well, I went to the shortcut because I was like, I don't know. It just seemed like the logical thing to do. Okay.
I'm gonna click launch GUI. Do you have vMix already set up? Oh, so you have.
I have this, but I mean,
Is that Grimskull Gaming that you're on right now?
no. I was going to set something up for Grimskull so I can delete this because I haven't done anything with it. If I, and start from scratch.
Okay,
So
do that.
delete. And what? Add connection? No. What do I want to do?
Yep. Add. So over where it says add connection, just type vMix for the search.
vMix. Okay. Add Studio Coast vMix.
Yep. And then that should just work. So
Connecting.
Hold on. Still connecting. I'm sorry. Let me ask the question. vMix is running on the current computer that you have Companion on, or
Correct.
it's on the other
Correct.
system?
It's on the current computer.
Okay, so that should be working right now, but it's not. That's okay.
Well, let's go to
Go into-
surfaces.
It's easier to stream decks.
Yep.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, go into vMix. Oh, click save.
Boom.
And now it's connected.
Okay. Edit.
So now go to no,
And we-
go to buttons. Oh, you want to name it?
Yeah, we want to name it.
Click it, yeah.
XG podcast. All right. And then save. Save. And then go to buttons. Ooh.
Okay, so this is a little complicated the way I designed the buttons for this.
Oh.
But if you just go up, forward, or back a page. What? Why is there something on page? Oh, you know what 99 is?
I don't know.
99 is Clayton's personal control.
Oh. Got it. So maybe I should go to like the 60s.
Sure.
60. All right. It's funny because Companion has all the. Okay. All right. I'm on a page 60. So now what?
Perfect. Click on the right side, Studio Coast vMix. I can't see right now. Hold on. So I'm watching your stream on delay to tell you what to do because the other screen's way too small. But that's fine. So click audio. Bam. Send input to bus is what you want.
Okay. Drag it.
Drag that over. Yep.
Is there a way to like change these nasty graphics? Okay, there is. I see. Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, so so select the input that you want to mute your mic. Your mic is coming in on. I'm sorry. Let me say that again in English. The input number that you want your mic is on right now. Three. And then bus A, change that to master. So that's your master mute.
Okay.
Go down just a little bit on that page and put in for input, put 3 and then change it to master. Sorry, where it says feedback. Yep, there you go. And then go down one more. You think there's one more there? Or... Nope, there isn't. Okay. It automatically saved. So now if you push that button and mute yourself, it's going to change color.
How do I get to the page on my Stream Deck? Do I got to sit there and like go up and down to page 60, or is there?
Well, I'll teach you how to make a page selector, but we'll put it on like page 98. So you'll have to press 3 buttons to get there.
So there is no way to start like a just my own.
Do you want to do that? Do you want to erase?
I don't know that I want to erase them. I mean, that's what, I guess that's what I'm getting at. Is I guess you got is that how Companion works, to where you're all on one
normally,
thing?
Actually, check out this. I have something I can do. Boom. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So these buttons on my first page are
Right.
my shows.
Right.
And then that takes me to another page. Like this is probably like, I don't know, page 2000. Not really. But like, so what I would suggest doing is making the first page. When I started designing Redacted, I did it. That was my first time using Companion properly. So I didn't realize that the first page should be your show page. Like just lists all your shows.
Okay.
That's the way I would do it now if I was to rebuild it.
But in order for me to do that, I'd have to get rid of all the redacted stuff.
Go to page 1 really quick. Okay, click on the page 1 button. No, click on the up button. This is an idea. Sorry, it's on the Stream Deck. Not on the Stream Deck. On the graphic of the Stream Deck. Nope, not that one. Go back 1 page. On the graphic of nope. Go to yep. So click on the up button there. Not that one. And the up button. Sorry, am I looking at you on delay again?
Yes.
I am. Sorry. Okay, so the button next to mute, where it says mute, click that. Click erase. Over on the right, here's what we're going to do. Click clear.
All right, clear.
Oh, wait. Yes, okay, good. Make it a regular button. Click regular button. And for button text, type menu. Cool. You can change
John.
the name of that later. For press actions, yep, there. Change that. Two. Type page. Set surface to set surface with. Hold on. Set surface with SN 2 page. Set with index 2 page. It's either the first one or the second one. I need to see what they look like. Yeah,
That's
okay.
the second one.
Yep, cool. So put surface 1. Put page 98. I think you can type 98.
98? Or what did I, was I on 60 though?
Sure, change it to 60.
Because I was on, all right.
Sweet. Okay, so now when you press that menu button, it should now take you to page 60.
Yes!
Did it?
It did.
Cool. So now, if you go to page 60 in the editor,
Hold on. I want to look at something.
I hear you.
But the stream couldn't.
The stream could not.
Nice. All right. What'd you want my silly ass to do?
I don't remember. What did you want me to?
Okay.
What was I teaching you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to click on your computer right now. This is good.
That works.
All right,
Well, you need to see that screen. I can't move it. Let me move my. There we go. There we go.
Cool. So now if you go to page 60 on the editor.
Page 60 on the editor. 60. All right.
That's what I would use as your menu. Now I would move that mute button that you just made
Right.
to like page 61.
Oh, why?
Because now you can make a list of shows. So if you decide at some
list
point
of shows. Gotcha.
Yeah. I think if you hit move and then click on the button that we made.
There we go.
Click on the button.
Where do you want it?
Yeah. Oh, click forward on the number 60. Where the 60 is, click the forward and now drop it there.
Oh.
There we go. So now it's on 61. So on 60, you should make a menu that is like GT, whatever you're calling it. GX, XG, LLP.
Okay, I'm going to put it regular button.
Regular button.
All right.
And then button text, make it whatever you want for the show name.
XG pod. Ew.
Yeah, it's not always that pretty. And then press button action. You want to go to SN to page. Yep, that one. Surface 1.
61.
Wants to go to 61. You typed this page instead of 61.
Oh, what? No. I swear to God, I typed.
What the hell is going on in here? We're not sure
All
what's
right.
going on in here, David. I'm
Oh.
teaching him how to use Companion. He's going to replace me
Who's? Wait.
at David Foster.
Don't we
Media.
have to end the stream? I think it's time to go. Oh. No, it's not. I can't. Where'd my chat go? There we go. There he is. All right. What's up? You missed the whole great show of me fumbling in vMix again.
I finally got his vMix call to work appropriately, David. Without like using buses and stuff.
Well, we did use we used buses.
We
It was
used
just
buses, but in a different way.
we just figured out how to use it with the wavelength, right? That was
Yes.
the thing. Which David, what was that big red atrocity sticking right next to your mouth today, David? That's what I want to know. What happened? It wasn't the beacon. It wasn't the Lewitt. It wasn't a wavelength. What was that? That
That's
mic.
that new microphone he's testing out.
I didn't know he was testing that new microphone.
Yeah, I forgot. It has a red one and it has a black windscreen on it. Blue Sona.
Blue Sona.
Yeah.
Got it. All right. I'm using the Newer.
We can't see you, by the way.
Can't see who. That's fine.
Oh, okay. I mean, the audience can't see you.
I mean, who really? It's the good thing, right? They can't see us.
It's David only. So.
Well, there we go.
I'm
It's
on the
us.
XG podcast.
Yep. So I've managed to get main scene built. Now we're trying to get this thing sorted. So yeah, there. Well, now you don't. Now you don't. My DJI.
I muted myself,
Why did you do that?
and because I had to cough, and then I forgot to turn it back on.
The DJI was not sounding really good, and let's maybe there now everybody can. Well, no, they can't. I'm gonna mute my Newer. Okay, now I'm using the DJI. Does it sound better or worse than the Newer? This is the
Newer sounds better to me.
Yeah. Why? Yesterday, the DJI, everybody was saying the DJI was sounded great. Wouldn't it be less weird to have Xanthi behind you in the logo? No. So, how do I make this sound better, David? How do I make this sound better?
How's the DJI coming into your system?
Same way the Newer is through my XLR or the Behringer. It's a Behringer.
You're going into the Behringer mixer first.
Right. More gain, but then it sounds
more gain and more bass.
Really bad. All right. Well, I got a lot of bass. I got a lot of bass.
That's a little too much bass. Although that might be right for bass. Bring the mids up. Is it a three section EQ?
Yes, but I've also got what? Okay, I'm going to set it to all the. Okay, I've got it. Let me go in and make sure to just kind of just reset all the audio stuff, including I've got the NS1 noise suppressor going, EQ. I've got that all flatlined.
You're in vMix right now?
I am. Yeah, hold on. Cut. There we go. So we're all flatlined there. I've got everything on the Behringer at 12 o'clock. Gain is all the way down. Gain. I'm going to turn on the headphones so I can, there we go. I can hear myself. That way I can monitor. It's still, okay, so everything's flatlined, right? So maybe I start with the EQ.
It's already starting to sound better.
Okay. So I'm going to pull some of my mids down. I usually do the typical V. Put some highs back in. But I sound low. Am I low?
You're low and you're tinny when you bring those trebles in.
Okay, so bring those back down. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. More gain. I feel like, okay, so I've upped the gain on the Behringer. And I'm at 0 on the volume. Can I come in, please? How? I'm not set up for a 3. Or are you wanting to? Oh, parsec. Oh. I don't know. We just got this audio set.
And now, oh, David, don't you go changing stuff. You're not allowed to touch buses or anything in the wavelength software.
It's a filthy habit. Filthy, filthy, filthy.
Okay, you can come in and set the EQ.
What happened? Where'd you go? Did your camera
me?
poop out?
No, I'm here.
No, you're not.
Oh, my camera turned off.
Yeah.
That's weird. Oh, shit.
La, la. La, la. I don't know why I'm talking to this. It's like muted. It's muted. All right, I'm going to try to move this so that it's...
There we go.
Oh.
Oh, you know what turned on?
Oh, shit. What turned on?
I think the, you know how the Sonys have that, like, skin softening thing in them? I think it turned on.
You turned that on purpose.
I mean, I need it, but...
Oh.
Did you let David in?
Well, yeah. He's
Make
in.
sure he doesn't touch any shit.
Can't you tell? He's in. Hi, Mom.
I totally forgot that I was working on a project with someone. Hold on one second.
Oh, do I need to let you go? Ooh. That was interesting. The Matrix, that made it sound a little better, but it's still, I don't know, it still feels like I'm talking into a tube. A tuba. Not a tuba. It's not a tuba. Checking, check, check. Check. Check my mic. All right. Well, oh. Why? Now I can't hear myself. Why did you turn that off? You son of a bitch. All right. Okay. Yeah, it sounds better. I still feel like I'm talking into a tube. But, all right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And he's going for the bass. It's all about that bass. But it does sound better, but it just still feels, I don't know, to me, maybe it's my headphones.
Can I hear you talk?
Can you? Can you hear me talk?
Oh, yeah, I can hear you talk.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can.
We didn't touch any of the buses.
Yeah, he's making you muddy like he sounds.
Yeah. I don't mind being muddy a little bit. I do like a, you know, I do like a little brightness in there. I feel like I'm just very flat. But hey, that's how David likes it.
No comment.
What? It's a well-known fact. Check. Oh. Am I? Did you? You need me to keep talking? Well, that's what I'm doing. Don't stop. Don't. Well, you keep going back to vMix. I can't see my Telegram. When you do that, check, 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 check. We're checking the check marks of the Czech Republic. Oh, now we get to see the vMix setup. That is a lot of inputs. What show is that with all those inputs there?
This is just my mess around show.
Well, I mean, we can. Ooh, man, and I'm getting up there with the. Yeah. Sounds that's a little bit brighter and better, but I'm peaking like crazy. Do I need to turn the gain down just a bit? Just say if I need to use gain on my laundry. I'm trying to keep talking, but you know, sometimes it's hard to talk. That's what she said.
She said that.
Yeah, she does say she said that. She actually said that. You know, what is going on? I did a thing. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm still talking. My kid who's off away at college, I bought her this great Epiphone that, you know, she never plays, and I forgot how to play. I don't remember my chords. Whoa, what is going on with your camera? Is that
nothing?
Yeah, it is. That's definitely going, holy McFly. Lower gain, so when you talk a bit louder, it stays at 6. Check, check, check my fly. Check. Flavor Flav. Yeah. How about that? Hello, McFly. Holy crapola. What is that?
Why does it look like such crap on your side? Oh, because I'm only sending a 720p signal.
I think so. All right. Hey, that actually sounded pretty good. Right there. Right where we got it, it sounded like my noise gate. Yeah. No, don't turn, because you're going to hear. Now you hear everything. Including the Air Force One back here. Air Force One, yeah. Now, do I really need 2 noise gates? Hear me? That's 2 noise gates. So which one are we using? The vMix or the NS1? NS1 is supposed to be better, according to Kevin.
It is.
Yeah. See, I want my voice to sound like Kevin's. His is like clear, crisp.
NS1 is like a noise removal. It actually processes the whole thing, but it acts as a noise gate too. You could use a noise gate as well, David, if you needed.
He's throwing in the Elgato EQ.
Elgato EQ? What?
Yeah, Elgato has a VST EQ that I haven't messed with.
If he's doing that, then you want to take out the VST the NS1.
Why?
Well, because if he's putting another one in.
No, this is an equalizer. It's not a noise gate.
Okay.
So, I mean, I sound less like I'm in. Ooh, it was getting close. Ooh, oh man, it was almost there. I don't know. That okay. Yes, NS1 is a noise gate.
Slash noise suppression.
Noise suppression, yes. I'll defer to what Kevin was saying. So far it sounded pretty good. I think we're there. Open that again, please. Oh. Open what?
What is he asking you to open?
I guess the audio. You're fired. Okay. I hope that's Clayton. Are you trying to give me another viewer? All right. Well, let's see.
Don't let him play with your bosses.
Yeah.
That's what she
not.
said.
Yeah. Sole mio. I mean, that is getting right there. I mean, we are like right on the edge of how it sounds. Yes, I'm doing my best. I know I talk a lot, but it, you know, I might have to go get Tara up so she can take over and pinch hit for me. She talks way more than I do. I hope she's not watching, but she's asleep. So talk about your body for a good solid my body. Yeah, because there's a lot to talk about. Let me tell you. Let's start with my toenails. And for all those just tuning in right now, David is in Parsec on my system tweaking. We're not EQing her voice for her voice. Well, no, we're not. But she will be talking through the same system because the DJI, and she's going to use the second lapel mic. So we're, but okay. Man, I should really mess with this Elgato equalizer more. It's kind of fascinating. This is like was it the beacon mic had the equalizer that looked like this also, I think. Right? Did we eat a steak today? I'm pretty sure I had leftover chili and pasta salad for lunch. If you had a steak, what kind of steak was it? Was it a ribeye? Was it a strip? Was it a flank? Just finished a T-bone. All right, I'm definitely going out Saturday to get a T-bone. Noise removal in video. We don't want that. Red 3, I don't know. We don't want red. We don't want any of that. Good morning. Too early to steak over here. What's up, Preparian? We are messing with audio. I was doing a setup for, we don't want to do that either. That's the voice modulator. That's going to make my voice sound all kinds, yeah, like a robot and all that stuff. Yeah. Great. Fine. Here we go. Wow. Audio is always a messy thing with setting up. It is. I have more trouble with audio than anything else. And I've got two experts here helping me. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah. Well, something sounds off after you did that last thing. Lower gain a tad. Gain lowering a tad. I think that was a little bit too much. Maybe about there. Okay. How about that? Is that better?
Hello, Preparian.
And open that back up because it sounds like something changed. Yes, something changed when you did that modulator. Something, yeah. It just feels like something went wonky. Wonky. That's a little better. Yeah, getting better. A little better. More like that radio voice that we like to hear. Hello. So you so you're coming over from David's channels. That sounds really good on my studio speed, does it? It should sound really great on these are the Focusrite Studio headphones, but it sounds a lot better than it is, but it still feels like I can hear this kind of maybe this slight sounding of talking in a tube.
Modulation.
Did you subscribe to David or me? Peter.
The amazing Peter.
The amazing Peter. Yes. Yeah. Peter was on Mixer. David was on Mixer. I was never on Mixer. I don't know that Kevin was ever on Mixer. But yeah. I haven't talked to Peter in a while. I need to go try to catch a stream here soon. I know they missed a couple of weekends of the cooking, and I just need to touch base with them and say hi, see what's going on. That sounded a little better. I was a partner over there, spoke with him over Christmas. Yeah. Check. That sounds a little bit better, but they're still there, almost. I don't know. I still feel like I'm still talking in a tube a little bit. I guess maybe because I'm not feeling, it doesn't feel full, right, Kevin? Is that what I'm saying? There's not a fullness to the voice. It feels like it's just, I'm talking a little hollow, like not mahalo, which is Hawaiian for something. I have no idea, like hello or something. Mahalo. I don't know. I'll have to watch some Dog the Bounty Hunter who probably says that, ooh, there's a little bit of a, still feel like I'm got some bass, got the bass going on, but let's see. Boom, warm, rumble, sub bass, boxy, nasal, presence, air. Maybe it's the presence. Is it the presence maybe that maybe needs to go up a little bit or down? I don't know. Check 2 3. Check 2 3. Yeah, that gets a little bit almost too crisp. Yeah, maybe a little bit of some boom warmth, maybe. Or are we there? Let's check. Take that out a little bit. It's a little bit of boxy. Move the boxy up a little bit more. A little more boxy. A little bit more. Yeah, that kind of brought some of the mids in a little more. So yeah, I mean, we're close. We're very close. I think we're as close as we're gonna get. Ooh, and he's going for some more box. Now, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think there, or about there. That sound that kind of filled in that gap. I don't hear that hollowness as much. So I think that's it right there. It sounds great. Yeah, that sounds, I mean, it sounds like 200% better than when I started. I got to remember the Elgato equalizer next time. And when I go back to my other production and fix that over there. Looks like a bunch of boobs. Yeah, well. Mine is to the left. You can have all that to the right. All right, that's all. I'll take the three mountains to the left. You can have all that stuff to the right. Yeah, I think it's good. I think that's good. I think we're there. We are there. Check. Kevin, what do you think? Kevin doesn't care.
I think it sounds good. Sorry, I was muted. Oh, I have a new camera. I forgot to tell you about that. Hold on.
Well, that wasn't that PTZ that you got on the floor.
Oh, I showed you.
Yeah.
I showed you, didn't I? I have to move this or else it's in the way. Wait, I have Windex in the way too. Hold on.
Windex.
Yep.
Windex in the way. I'm going to put the guitar back since I'm not going to play it. I mean, it looks cool to hold it, but, you know. My kid's not using it, so I figure I would, I may need to take my gain down just a bit. Just a bit? All right, I don't know. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it. All right. Thanks, David. David's been wanting to get into my audio for months. Yeah. Hope he...
You're cropping my picture a lot. Like off the top and the bottom.
I wanted to bring your face close.
Oh.
But you keep moving.
I do. People move.
You just need to make sure you hover right around 6. Yeah, okay. My well, at least on master I'm not peaking too bad, but on the audio I am. Can you see that NS thing to stop it from going? Can you? Isn't there a compressor or we could set there, Kevin?
Sorry, what did you say?
or you don't want to be part of this conversation anymore? You're a busy man. I get it. I know.
Well, I'm reviewing a video that needs to release in the next 8 minutes, but
No.
I've reviewed it.
All right, do it. Do your thing. You want to review it here?
No.
Oh.
You don't want to review it.
Isn't that what that NS plugin is, right? What he would like to do is if we could set the noise, will this set to not have me go above -6, or do we need almost 6 a.m.
The
head
NS
to work?
plugin is not a compressor. It is noise reduction, noise suppression.
Prepared. We will. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Feel free to come back anytime. Okay. Where are we at? I've never messed with that, but is that a good one? Ooh, all right. Check, check, check. That's the Focusrite. I think that came with my 2i2. It's one of the plugins, the free or things you can get. Talking, trying to talk so that, you know, we can get this, ooh, all right. Check, check. We are talking loud, my normal voice. What are you doing? That's working better. I think we're there. What do you think? Open the vMix area again. I did. How many times do I gotta open that? Jesus. And testing, 2, 3. That's doing a good job making it sound better too. Right? What do you think? Anybody? Bueller? Folks who are lurking. I can't tell who's watching, because how many are watching their never mind. He's reviewing a video. Hello, Clarice.
Hello.
So we've almost got the audio totally dialed in. We're just trying to work on keeping me from peaking like a peking duck. Talk like you're pissed off at your daughter. Well, it's my son now, so get it right. They don't seem to want to text me. Oh, so Kevin, here's the adventures in England with the getting the SIM card for the phone. Apparently they won't do an auto draw unless it's a UK bank account. So she's gonna go, but it's a MasterCard debit. Why would they not treat it like it's a credit card? I don't get it.
So
UK
it's a thing.
Yeah. Okay.
It is
all
a
right.
thing. Yeah, because most money transfers are done bank to bank there.
Okay.
Instead of using cards.
Got it.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
So what's gonna happen is she's gonna go back tomorrow, and she'll just have to go to the place every month to renew, and that way, yeah. So she should be good. She's getting the 3 with the signing up with 3 and we're just going for unlimited talk and data, and then their abroad plan, which is still cheaper than doing $10 a day for like 4 months. So, but they can't do the eSIM. They're gonna have to. She'll have a UK phone number. Scream like I'm in heat. Oh my God. I'm recording this and people are going to see this, and
that was horrible.
It's just a crazy guy. Yeah. So God, Jesus, Lord, Mary, you are so huge. It's not that kind of stream, but was that good enough? I can't really keep that up. I can't keep that up. But my kid doesn't want to talk to me. She's not texting me. Well, we haven't been texting because we're trying to keep those $10 charges off. But those days that we text, it's like, hey, what's up? Nothing. You know, it's like, send me some pics. Send me pics of, you know, the campus and where you going. And nope, nothing. Can't get, yeah. Yeah. So I think I'm going to have a talk.
She's in another country.
And I get it. I think I'm going to have a talk with her on Friday to say, you're going to have to do a little bit more communicating, you know, because there's not going to be this, you know, don't talk to dad until I need something. We're not going to do that. You got to put in a little bit of effort. Man, I'm getting flat again. Something sounds off. Hello, hello, hello. This is my best Joseph Clough impersonation. It's the worst Joseph Clough in the world. He would laugh at it, really. He'd laugh. That's what he would do. Laugh at it.
That's really bad.
What? It was terrible. Don't watch the replay, Joseph. Please don't watch past. Just don't. It's just not pretty. Not pretty at all. At all. Scream like you're in heat. I did. I did. Is the studio all set up and ready to go, David? That's what I want to know. I mean, you spent all last week trying to get it up and running. Now we just need to get those other overlays done at some point. Okay, I think Toto's good. No, waiting on Philip to come Saturday. Okay, gotcha. I sound flat.
Why don't you just do it, David? Just do it. Just get it done. Just get out there. Make content in your studio.
Just get it done. So I don't.
Just do it.
I kind of sound like I'm on an old radio now. I don't know what it is. Yeah, there we go. Keep going. Yeah. Something just sounded off. Still sounds off. Yeah, that's taking me down worse. Worse. This is worse. Way worse. That's better. Yeah. That's better. There. Okay. Let's see. All right. There. Okay. Yeah. Now at least we're better. That's better than it was. I think we're good. I think we can be better than what we were before. Now that's worse. That's worse. We're getting worse. We are worse. Worse sounding. We sound worse. Okay, now getting a little better. but it still feels like okay, that's better. This is now. I don't know. Not back to where it sounded really good, but it's at least better than it was before. That's what she said. Joseph, did you see my you did not hear my impersonation, which is good. Don't rewind.
It was so bad, Joseph. Where have you gone?
Sounded so far because you couldn't hear me at all. All right. Yeah. Okay. This is okay, but still kind of sounds that fullness is gone now. It seems maybe Red 3 is just not the route to go. I don't know. I think maybe I don't like the, yeah, I mean, what's wrong with the native compressor in vMix? I don't think I have any other compressors. I don't think I do. Oh. What are you doing? No, don't you?
What's he doing?
I don't know, but he's.
What's he doing?
I don't know. Elgato plugins. Okay, he's looking for the plugin for. I gotta use my other browser for my prawn.
It's well past his bedtime, Joseph.
Yeah, I am. I should be in bed right now. Made the mistake of let David take control. Hey, Nutty. VST, right? You want VST plugins? Yeah.
My camera keeps overheating.
There's compressor. Oop. I probably have that downloaded if you would just ask. Iced. Rough Rider 3. We don't want Reaper. You want me to download Reaper?
No.
No. I don't want
No.
Reaper. No.
He doesn't want that.
Nope. Nope. No. No Reaper. Not doing it.
It's great for commission. See, he just wants the commission.
No. I'll mess with that tomorrow. It sounds really good right now. Oh, you.
Is he downloading it?
He's. Here's what I'll do.
You should close Parsec.
Did he stop my stream? You son of a.
My camera does not want to stay on right now.
You're that son of a mother. He's trying to.
It did.
What?
It did, Joseph.
What did it do?
My camera keeps quitting.
I don't know why it keeps doing that. What? I closed Parsec. What happened? All right, Dave, stop, please. I just. What? Disconnect. All right. Shouldn't it say disconnect somewhere? Dang it. All right. What happened to my chat? I'm not even doing it yet. Now yeah, well, whatever. Pop out. All right. It sounds good though, even without the compressor. I'll get the. I thought I had downloaded that, but if it needs Reaper, I don't want to get it. I got far too many things. Are you going to use as your main? No. No, but I was just messing with it tonight along with this mic, which this mic sounds really good. Really, here, I'll turn that down a bit. There we go. Oh God. Oh God.
That's what she said.
Oh God. Oh God. Okay. I was mainly using this mic tonight, but I do want to use you ditch the. I'm not ditching it, but because I'm having these problems with it bombing out on me in the middle of the stream, I was going to kind of take it out of the mix for a bit. Kevin, you're so close. Yeah.
David, why did you tell me to buy this camera?
What camera is it?
ZVE10.
That's the ZVE10?
Yeah, and it keeps shutting off. Oh, this is the first time it's overheated on me.
We were trying to figure out how to make the ZV1 look good for Xanthes. High heat. High heat. There's a high heat setting, Kevin?
Yeah, I did. No, you know why? The microphone that you normally use sounds like shit right now because all of the plugins are installed on the audio 1 and 2 input, right? So those plugins are affecting both microphones.
Yes.
Yes.
Although this doesn't sound terrible to me. But that's just me.
Powering it with an adapter, David.
I got on to Xanthi about that, and I told her she needed to get the AC adapter, but she's lazy and hasn't gotten it yet. All right. Ooh.
Yeah, it's weird. This is the first time it happened where it's just powering off randomly. And it actually says it's because of temperature. Although this was the first time I saw it say because of temperature, because previously it would just turn off. Very weird.
It is weird. And you know what? I need to go to bed.
Is it sitting in a bag? What? No, it's sitting on my... Here, hold on. Hold on. You can't leave yet. We have to show David.
I will give you 5 minutes.
Okay. Hold on. Your stream has become my troubleshooting stream.
Yes,
now.
it is your troubleshooting. I mean, I got a lot of help, so I will give you 5 minutes of airtime.
Oh. Grim has me.
Do you need me to?
No, it's okay. You can see my nuts over there too.
Your nuts?
Yeah, it's getting cut off for David, so now he thinks something really weird is up. But
no.
See, look,
that ain't happening. Oh.
Don't leave what against the camera?
The screen, pop out screen. Pop the screen out.
It's not. Oh, you can't see from that side. Oh, Jesus, hold on. Don't worry. I have lots of cameras in this place. It's like that.
There you go. Nice full screen, wide view.
And it's got like 6 inches behind the camera and the monitor. I don't know.
What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, just a piece of metal. Okay.
Basically. Here, I'll show you why.
Ah, yeah.
This camera is very hard to get to the settings. I have to like do it backwards. Hold on. Where's the menu button?
It says it's a touch screen.
It's a touchscreen?
Touch the screen, see what happens.
Yeah, but I can't get into the settings from the touchscreen. Where's the menu button? No, not auto ISO.
It's auto ISOing.
Oh, you know what? I can't find
Auto
the menu
ISOing.
button. It just shut off again. I can't find the menu button. Hold on. There it is. Where is it? Yeah, it was.
All right, problem solved. Well, Kevin, David, thanks for helping me with audio. It is way past my bedtime. I gotta go. I gotta go potty too. So, and I have no end stream button.
Why don't you have an end stream button? You're acting like David now.
I know, but because we got all caught up in using audio, and I didn't get around to setting up the end screen stuff. But I got a lot of stuff to play with tomorrow after I get a bunch of other projects done. So yeah. So, oh, there we go. So I'll let you say goodbye, Kevin.
Goodbye, Kevin.
Goodbye, Kevin. Thanks again. Even I have an yeah, I know. You have a better one here soon. All right, folks. That's it for us, and we'll see ya. Peace, and just
later.
We're just going to black. So, bye.